In the Everbridge mobile application, notifications can be viewed from the feed. New and unread messages will have a red dot beside them. To view a notification, simply tap it. Some notifications include the option to confirm that you've received the message. To return to the feed, tap Feed in the top left. Some organizations also use incident communications and critical events. To view incidents, tap Incidents at the top of the screen. To view critical events, tap Events at the top of the screen. To access settings, click the hamburger menu in the top left. Then click Settings.